Hey guys, this is our letters and sounds, page 33 and 34. All right, so this one says match each picture to the blend you hear. So let's look at this word or this picture. It's a picture of a rabbit. Rabbit. So which blend over here says ah?
Okay, you can just use your pencil and
Very good. All right, next we have a picture of a rug. 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 Which blend says
and then a silent.
Very good. Next we have the color red.
That could mean you're
Very good. Next we have a awful. Good. We only see one with the O sound. Next we have a Now this one, be careful because you might have a B or a D. Desk.
This other word is a sight word. This
right
one
here.
sounds the
Next we have a So now we have the sound.
Now this other
right there.
is
Number 2 says fill in the next word to the circle next to the correct word. So this is a picture of a cat. Which word says
so this word is a different word, and it's also on your spelling
Very
list.
good. This one.
Lose.
Let's look at this. Why isn't it this one? Because it says cut. Well, is this a cut? No. It's a cat. Cat. All right, let's look. This is a picture of a hen. Let's read these words. Ten or hen. Which one is correct?
For your test Friday, for your quiz.
Very good, this one. Next, this is a dog. Dog. Let's read these. Dog. Dog or og. Log. Which one's correct? Very good. Next, we have a cub. Cub. Let's read these words. Tub. Cub. Which one's correct? Very good. The cub. Next, this says circle the sound that you hear in the word. So I'm going to say the name of the picture, and if you hear the sound at the beginning, then you're going to circle it. First picture is a fish. Do you hear in fish? Yes. Go to the next one. Boat. Boat. Do you hear? No. All right. Next, let's look at the next picture. Rain. Rain. Do you hear? No. Look at this one. Fork. Fork. Do you hear the sound? Yes. Next, we have a frog. Frog. Do you hear the sound? Yes. Next, you have a flower. Flower. Yes. Number 2 says match each word to the picture it describes. So what is the girl doing here? Looks like she is sitting or sit. All right, so let's read these words. Sit, or hug, or run. Which one says sit? Right, this one. So this one goes right here. Right, next we have a picture of a girl who is running or run. Which one says run? Hug, or run. Correct. This one. And then last we know that this one says hug. All right, let's flip over to the handwriting sheet. And we're going to write the letter F. Make a candy cane with a push across. candy cane, push across,
All right. Now,
candy cane,
say your word. I want you to write these
push
special,
across,
okay?
candy cane, push across. One more,
Say write
candy
the special
cane,
sound you hear at the beginning.
push
okay?
across. Again,
Cheesecake.
candy cane,
Cheesecake.
push across,
Cheesecake.
candy cane,
Right. Just the special
push
sound
across,
you hear at the beginning.
candy cane, push across, candy cane, push across, candy cane, push across. Now the capital F. Pull down, push across, push across. 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 Flip over on the back. Write the lowercase f again. Candy cane with a push across. 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 Letter I for the blend if. I. Pull down with a dot. Candy cane with a push across. Pull down with a dot. Candy cane with a push across. Pull down with a dot. Candy cane with a push across. Now let's write capital F. Pull down, push across, push across. 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 Pull down, push across, push across.